We ship onions up to about 14,000 nautical miles, which means up to 75 days in a shipping container. So what we load and pack into the container needs to be the absolute best in quality. And we can't afford for a container to get to the other side of the world and have quality issues on arrival. I'm Justin, CEO of New Zealand Growers. We are one of the largest onion exporters in New Zealand, and we've got a customer base right around the world. CAILU overlaid on top of our existing packing line, which meant that we were able to introduce the system during the season, calibrate it as we went, and end up with it running effectively within the season. So it's gone very, very smoothly without disruption. I originally thought it was going to have a good impact on packhouse costs, which of course it does, and also enable us to ensure product quality. But probably one of the most unexpected benefits for us has been the ability to optimise the onions as they flow through, so we can best deliver against a customer specification and also identify opportunities for different products to go to different markets as we go. So I guess we're getting a greater output and operational efficiencies, as well as cost savings, as well as higher quality. I think it will let us solve problems and navigate obstacles that we haven't even necessarily come up against, or new requirements that come out for different markets that we can navigate as they arise. It's certainly going to enable us to relook at our segmentation, relook at our product size categories, and be much more efficient in terms of using the full yield of our crop. For instance, there's been a new protocol introduced in Indonesia this season, which is a significant market for us. And we are now able to inspect elements of the onions that are relevant to the Indonesian market, such as the roots, much more effectively and accurately. As we fully implement it for the Europe season, which happens at the beginning of our calendar year, so we'll see that happening in 2026. As I said, we ship for huge distances, and if we have product quality issues in market, we've already sunk an enormous amount of cost in the international freight. So by eliminating quality issues before they arise and before those issues are exported to our customers, presents a massive cost saving opportunity. I think it provides assurance for our customers that they're not going to be dealing with problems and rework, and I think that's going to be really important to their bottom line. Look, I'd actually fully encourage and support other packers getting on board with CAILU. I think that it will be an expectation from our Northern Hemisphere customers in the future that this type of work and technology is implemented in the exporting country. So I think it'll well and truly become the ticket required to play the game.